Introduction.
Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Lax2047, group 94, and this is video 5. My name is MAZIN HAMZA with matic number 191287, and we will choose one topic today, and we will write our own poem for today.
Okay, my name is MUDAWI. My matric number is 191390.
My name is HAKIM Zukefli. My matric number is 190291.
My name is ABDULLAH and my matric number is 191381.
My name is NADINE SYAMIM and my matric number is 188010.
Okay, so first let's choose the topic. We have, like we discussed last week, we have talked about 3 topics, which is poverty, environment, and racism. So I think we just choose from these three topics which one we want to do and why. So I think everyone can suggest which topic they like and just why.
Wait, we chose racism and
poverty and environment from the last 3 topics.
so we're gonna do
and we're gonna select from these 3. Which one? Only one.
make our own poem.
Yeah, make our own poem. So just maybe just suggest which one you like and why, and then we will pick one. So who wanna go first?
I suggest Abdullah to start.
Okay, no problem. Okay, from my opinion, I want to go with racism.
Racism.
Yeah, because it's like this topic is more important than other topic, and also by this topic we can improve our society, humanity. Like the human will be changed, and if we share good idea about the people, and you will not mention the white or black or anything like that, so the generation will come the new in this life and see that they are avoiding these things. So you will see a lot of improving in the society, and also the people will have that kind of heart that to accept anything from others, and it will not make for them any problems. And this can be one kind of things that using the poem to make it less and mention that good things about the humanity. That's all from my opinion. I think this topic is more interesting to choose and write about it.
I gave you the wrong opinion. So Luqman.
Okay, sorry. I agree with Abdullah Khan. I would also like to do the racism because I think it relates more to me because I've living in Malaysia, and in UPM mostly we have so many international students, so I can see racism is very strong here. Yeah, so I think it's important to share maybe some solution about racism.
Okay, for me, I think poverty.
Well,
Because poverty has also some kind of racism in it. Because there's some countries have high class, low class, and low class and high class depends on how many you get, right?
yeah.
So there is a racism between these two. So for example, rich guy cannot go with a poor guy. So this is also racism. So I choose poverty.
But poverty can be including in the results. If you come to think about the states or the humanity, how they live, or as you say, if there is one rich guy and one poor guy, so there is some related like this. It's racism.
Yeah, that's
so
what
so you can choose it like you can get the. It's more common to use that one racism.
Or maybe racism
Yeah.
can be included in
Yeah, that's why I think it's more general. So it can be take this idea, but if you want to choose or talk about the environment, maybe there is different, so you can mark one decision. But for this, I think from my idea.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, for me, I will go with racism. Because racism is very big topic, like we said in the last video. It can be like in the color, religion, nationality, or the people inside the same country, and it's a real problem, a big problem as well. And if we solve this problem, it can be good for all people, and we need to change their minds to logically and positive thinking for all the people, and it can make the love between all the people if we solve this problem, because there is no differences between the people in the country or outside the country.
Right, right. In my opinion, I would like to write a poem for environmental global issues, because recently what happened in Malaysia, a river called Kim Kim has been contaminated with methane waste from industry, and it has caused
Poison.
yeah, it has caused poisons to the kids, because methane is in gas form. So whenever you breathe it in, it goes into your lungs, and then it causes like toxic formation inside your lungs. So you have breathing difficulties, and then it will lead to another health issue. So in my opinion, because environmental issues has not been discussed deeply in Malaysia, that's why some parties have somehow think that the government doesn't care much about environment. That's why they decided to dump their waste inside the river, and then cause some problem, health problem towards the surroundings.
It's not just methane, right?
Yeah.
I think there's a guess that how to say, this not destroy, but it makes your kidney broken, and the school students, when they urinate,
It hurt.
it doesn't just hurt, it comes out, blood come out. So yes. So how many schools were closed? 7. More than that.
I can't remember, but most probably 7. And then there was like.
When did this happen?
Last
Last week.
few weeks?
No, just last week. Right.
No, 2 weeks ago.
Just last week.
Probably 2 weeks ago.
In Pasir Gudang, Johor.
Yeah, in Johor. So I think that because of the lack of awareness with the environmental issues in Malaysia, I think that since we are in Malaysia in UPM, so I think that we should write something about that.
Okay,
So ring the bell.
let's I think we just do the classic voting. Alright, so we start with environment first. You can vote twice, I think.
Yeah.
Who wants to do environment?
No.
Like, I think because the Pasir Gudang is very hot.
Yeah, because the issue is totally.
So are you in? Yeah, okay, so 3 people. About racism?
2.
Neutral.
Racism is.
Is this
No?
Okay, no.
No.
What's the other one? Poverty.
Yeah, poverty. Okay, so 1, so 3, 2, 1. I guess we will do with environment. Is that okay? Okay, so we still have time to write some. So let's divide it to 5 verse. Let's have 5 verse. So 5 verse each with 4 lines. What should we have in the poem? Like we mentioned before, the problem and solution. What else should we have?
Causes.
Causes.
Causes. Okay, so let's write it down. So we have. Let's start with 5 verse first. So first is about maybe
Introductory.
introduction.
Like what is environment?
What is environmental issues, and then we also want to have the solution, right?
Yeah.
Solution, and then what is it again? Causes. Causes. All right, another 2.
Effects.
Effects. Yeah. And okay, last one.
How this thing affects human as a whole.
I think we can put that in effects.
Solutions.
Maybe 2 solutions.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe we can have 2 verse for solutions.
All right. Yeah.
Because I don't think 4 lines is enough to give like straight solutions.
Examples now, right?
Examples. I think we can put it in introduction and in causes as well. Okay, so maybe we can arrange it like introduction and then causes, and then effects, and then solution and solution. 2 solution. So who wants to do introduction? Okay, you do introduction. Causes, effects, facts, so with the solution. Okay.
So how many lines we need to write?
Four.
Four lines.
4 lines, yeah.
4
4
to
lines.
5.
Just 4.
4 lines.
So you
4
have
lines for each category, or
Yeah, 4 lines for each category. So we will have the poem like we have earlier, 5 verse, 4 lines.
okay.
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 So
With this we are done.
huh?
We are done.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're basically done with this. So write your verse and then just update in the group. We will see how it goes. And next week, I mean next 2 weeks after the mid-term break, we will do a video on recitation. We will recite.
After 2 weeks.
Yeah, after 2 weeks.
Yeah.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's all for this video. Thank you everyone. See you and bye.
Same.